Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so tonight's the first night of like the scooter swap shop meetup type deal, and I don't even think they're here yet. They're still like in California because they had problems with the RV or whatever. Chuck has his stroker piece on the 89 over here, all clean, the water cooled piece, and then I'm gonna be riding my stroker too, both the 120 pieces. So we just filled up on some gas and we're about to roll out. Finally got the headlight situation figured out, so can ride the boy at night. So there is a ride tonight still though, after we meet up at the spot, but it seems like a lot of people are actually gonna be rolling out. So we'll have to see what the people bring out. Drooling boy.
Alright boys, hopefully my mic doesn't have bad wind noise. I noticed in the last couple clips it did, and it was because my wind muffler, my mic actually fell off. So I rigged one on from my other mic right now and had it zip tied on. Hopefully that prevents all the wind noise for tonight's ride. Yo. It's smashing on Chuck. I can't even keep up. Look at Chuck's keeping up with that bike right now. Oh, he's hitting the bump. Oh my god. Oh, he sparked. That man's hit the bump so hard.
Just rolled up. You see.
Skeleton. Free. That's free. Those guys. Those guys.
Yeah, that's my old board. Fucking gave damn so you're fucking stopping so goddamn slow. Yeah.
Dude, some clean bikes out here today.
Shit! It's so weird being on a ride out and not out here for just wheelies. Nothing better than the sound of like 32-stroke motors just revving up. Chopping up the air, baby. You guys got the whole fuel can ready, bro.
I got a pre-mix it, bro.
Yeah, that's what's up right there. But homie's bike is sick right here. I'm trying to see him pop it up though. I know he ain't got that support bar for nothing. I'm trying to see a wheelie. Yeah. Yup. We're about to mob down the strip right now, boys. Oh man, that's some bumpiness right there. Wow, I was just talking to no one for so long. I thought I was recording the whole time. I don't know what we're doing, bro. I just know we need to start getting some movement, boys. All the water cool boys getting no air through the radiator, staring at these lights. We just beeline down the border of this whole thing to get in front of all these cars because this red light was backed up for like a mile. Hey, pop it up! Yep! Boys, I just hit the mobile GoPro battery swap out. That was hard though. Hit it without even looking, had it on my helmet still. Leave a thumbs up for the two-stroke takeover, boys. We're out here right now. We're on the roughest street right now in this Las Vegas Boulevard. I couldn't believe how rough it is. At this point, man, we should have went down a different street. The boulevard's cool, but it ain't this cool. Pop it up! Yep! That's what's up, bro. What is that? Someone's air filter? I think I saw someone's air filter fall off. It looked like a velocity stack, whatever they're called. Chuck's suspension bottoms out so bad, it sounds like someone like crashes every time. Yo, the sticker slap? I wish I had the MOPBOYZ piece. Damn, they loaded! White Castle piece. You want to race? I'm gonna try, hold on. I don't know. My spark plug popped off. I don't think it's gonna stay on. We'll see. Spark plug popped off again, man. I don't know if I hit a bump or what. Shout out homie right here for stopping. Look at this limo. Dually van, diesel limo. Look how mad she is. She opened her door and said we're not allowed to go in front of her. That was so fun. Damn, and then she cut in front of all those people right there.
bikes for everyone who's not here.
Like a post on YouTube, man.
Yo, we're getting yours on there too.
Look at the bagger piece. Bro, this truck is not even lifted. It's literally not even lifted.
Well, boys, short night. There goes my exhaust gasket. R.I.P. Alright, we gotta call it a night now because my exhaust gasket blew out. But hopefully we'll get that fixed up for tomorrow's ride. Boys are all rolling out now. So just looked back over the footage of my GoPro. I guess I wasn't even recording, but pretty much the sign was down there and we all just hit a quick sprint down this street, and Raven and I got out like midway. I heard my whole exhaust just change sounds. That means I didn't even get a clip of it running. You should have heard how bad the exhaust leak was. But yeah, crucial. But it blew out, so we're stuck now. So I'm gonna have Talia come swoop. That's them right there. That's so funny.
Let me go ride with them.
Later.